Hello and welcome to the Maths and Engineering channel. We are doing the basics of the integration. Here is the example. As we see that in the bracket we have a whole square. So we apply our formula here. The basic mathematics formula a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Here we assume this term as a and this is b. A square means under root theta square. Under root theta square minus 2 a means under root theta into b, which is 1, plus b square, which is 1 square, divided by under root theta and d theta. Here d theta is missing. So we cancel out the square and under root and get just theta. When we multiply 2 under root theta and 1, we will get 2 under root theta, and the square of 1 will be 1 whole divided by under root theta and d theta. Now we will break the LCM. We write theta upon under root theta minus 2 under root theta over under root theta plus 1 over under root theta d theta. Now we will further simplify. This under root theta will be cancelled out with the under root theta, and we will get theta over, we can write under root theta as theta power 1 by 2 minus 2 plus 1 over, similarly we can write theta power 1 by 2 and d theta. We can write this theta power 1 by 2, we just make the power negative, minus 2 plus, similarly we can write theta at denominator with the negative power d theta. Now we can write, as we see that theta and theta both are multiplying with each other, the bases are same, they are multiplying with each other. We can just write once and add power of both, minus 2 theta power minus 1 by 2 d theta. We can simplify this. 1 minus 1 by 2 will become 1 by 2 minus 2 plus theta power minus 1 by 2 d theta. Now we can write this integral and d theta with each term. we can directly integrate. If we do not write like this, we can directly integrate it, but we will do a step here. Now next step we do a small thing. 1/2 d theta, we will write this to outside of integral. D theta, rest of the equation remains same. Now we will integrate 1/2 plus 1, we just add 1 with the power and divide with the power, minus 2. This integral will be cancelled out with this d. I will write 2 theta plus minus 1/2, just add 1 with the power and divide with the power, and plus c, which is the integration constant, we add when integrate the equation. Simplified, 1/2 plus 1 will become 3/2 and 3/2 in the denominator, minus 2 theta, and similarly add 1 with the power. Minus 1/2 plus 1 will be equal to theta 1/2, minus 1/2 plus 1 will be 1/2 plus c. We can write this 3/2 here. We just have to write invert of this, theta 3/2 minus 2 theta. Similarly we can write 2/1 theta 1/2 plus c, and this will be our answer. 2/3 theta power 3/2 minus 2 theta plus 2 theta 1/2 plus c. No further simplification is needed. Thank you so much for watching.